Hi guys, we're back. Continuing with the language selection. Now, what we've done is, at this point, we're going to assume that you're new to programming and you want to learn the concepts. And so, what I've done is, we're going to download two things. So, the first one is free Pascal. It's a compiler, and if you go to freepascal.org, you'll see a download link, and from there you can select which platform to download for. You can see that they have, not all, but virtually all platforms that you can think of. And so in my case, I'm on Windows. It's a 32-bit Windows. And so I've clicked on this link here that you can download it for 64-bit Windows, Linux, Mac, you name it. And the installation is similar, regardless of your platform. When you click on your platform, you can just click on SourceForge, and it'll start downloading. Now, in my case, I've already downloaded it, and so we're going to go right here, and we're going to go ahead and run this. It takes a while to download, so I want to go ahead and do that. We'll select the default directory. Full installation is fine, and we're going to let it pick the associations, and there we go. Now, the second thing that we've downloaded for that is something called Lazarus. So Lazarus is the IDE, Integrated Development Environment, and what it's going to do is allow us to develop GUI-based graphical user interface, the Windows that you're used to applications, and these will run on, again, Windows, Linux, or Mac. So you actually get a wide platform right out of the box. In this case, you just download your right version here, and again, I've done that in the background. So we're going to skip this, click finish. Now we should be able to select Lazarus. Oops. There we go. Just put that right there. Full installation again. We give it a desktop icon and let it install. This will only take a second. You can see here's the IDE for free Pascal. This is just a command line base, which means you're going to type in everything, and it doesn't have the Windows utility with it. So if you want buttons or edit boxes and all the other GUI type elements that you're used to from Windows and Mac, it won't have that, which is why we're downloading Lazarus. Lazarus is cross-platform as well, again, Windows, Linux. With free Pascal, you can actually develop for the iPhone. It can tie right into Xcode, and so you get some of the mobile platform as well. So let's see here. Okay, you can see it starts up. It gives us our first window. It shows us the code here in the background. So when this started up, let's go through this. It's not as complex as it seems, but when it starts up, it gives you a unit, which is what they're called in Pascal. It's just a file, and it automatically installs our rights, the commands that you're going to need, and we'll go through this bit by bit. But here's our first window. We can resize it. We'll go into components and some of these other things. But if we hit play or run, it will compile the program and run it. So here's our first window. So in the next form, now that we've created our first window, or in the next video, we're going to go actually into programming, and we'll do a combination of console, which is just the command line, and GUI programming. But since GUI programming is interesting and it's something that you're used to, we're going to start there and spend more time on that, and we'll cover standard how do we get set up and running with developing some code. So take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.